Yes, previously I made a creativity on this bridal and everyone liked the video. Trust me, on all my social medias, everyone was like, wow, it was unique and very creative. So those are the things I always create, and I make sure that I want something to look different and simple. Then I continued doing it that way. This was behind, and after I tried to make it something like a fringe, and still people loved it, as you can see on my Facebook and everywhere. Everyone was liking the hairstyle. So in this video, still I've come with another creativity, and it is somehow different from this one. So I would like you to give me your time.
Morris, the Crochet Master.
All right, yes, my name is Morris, the Crochet Master, and I do it my way. Yes, first and foremost, I work at Hair by Clippers. To those ones who would want our services, yes, I would work at Hair by Clippers, and Clippers is with Z. So if you want us to work on you, if you want me to work on you, you can always come at Hair by Clippers, and we do the best for you. So this time around, we are going to see something also, something different, but still inspired from the other hairstyle that I've been doing previously. So if it's your first time to this channel, please make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell, because here we learn creativity. And I always advise all my bridals, like most of the times, to give me that chance, like to make that to give me the chance of doing something that is nice for them and very unique, because we have been seeing this tendency of every bridal, like we find them looking the same, but most of the times it is just because they don't give us that chance of us to create some things for them, or maybe they always come with their pictures and they show us how they would want to look. Yes, and we do them exactly on how they want. But sometimes if they also give us a chance, like maybe to create something good, yes, there's some hairstyle that, trust me, they would look good on you guys, and you be very unique and very simple. And those are the things that we always want. So as here, to those ones who are learning right now, I'm doing the back combing, and we all know that if you do the back combing, this one that I'm doing is the back combing, and this one help to make to create the volume on the hair. Yes, the hair, if it's like maybe soft and you'd want to create a volume on it, you can do this technique, and you can see now the way it is raised up. So it means the back combing can really do work. So this one also depends on according to the hairstyles that you are going to do. If we try to remember, this is the holding hairspray. Yes, so remember, most of the times whenever I've been trying to show you the head shapes of I would try to tell you the head shapes of most of our clients, how you're supposed to style according to their head shape. And I've been telling you that people with long forehead, they're always very easy to style, because most of the hairstyle, they always look good with them, those ones with long forehead. And I told you that mostly those people who are proud of their forehead when it's long, they would like to pull their hair going behind. Still, it is very fine. And there are those hairlines that those forehead that it is really worse, and maybe it is because like maybe the hair broke, like the way you can see her, like maybe in front the hair broke. So it is very hard to pull it behind, because it will overshow. So what you can always do, it is to make something like a sideway, which a sideway that it can also that sideway, sometimes it is hard on someone with short forehead. So you should always try to mark those things that people with long forehead, they will always look perfect with these hairs. Like most of them, apart from now the one that goes behind, it needs like if your hair naturally was like naturally, like it didn't break, like naturally you have a long forehead and your hair didn't break, you can pull it going behind. But now if you have a long forehead and your hair broke, that means there's that extending of it behind. So what you always do, you just have to do something like of a side, like the way you have seen her hair was broken like in front, so I had to create something. At least we cover one side and we play around with the other side. So now here, as we're continuing, I'm just bringing this extension. I always love to use this one, and there's some other band that people always use, but I like this because it is more softer, and someone like it is too flexible for someone to turn the way they want. So you can see how I'm doing it, and this time around I'm going to try to be speedy so that we can understand these hairstyles. They're always simple, so the only thing is that if you want to understand them, we just need to listen. And if you don't get anything from it, so after I'm done here, I got my spring twist. These, you know them, the spring twist extensions. For those ones who know them, others they can, if you don't have them, you can use even the passion twist. That also fine. Like, just try to be creative. You can use the passion twist and then you start doing styling it like this. But mostly I would try to advise you guys, try to look at someone's hair. Yes, sometimes we skip. You can see her hair, it is all blending. The extension behind the one I've just put like a donut, it's black, you can see it, but these ones on top, it is reflecting the hair because they're all off black. So the hair is off black, and I'm trying to use this spring twist of off black to see that it is coming out very nicely. So you just have to add on this way. I'm trying to be speedy here because now this is clear for you, you can see it, but all I want is you to understand like the head shapes, how you're supposed to do it, and you should not always be scared of doing something different. Just try to be creative, do the thing that you feel that is in your head that you can do. You have never seen it, but you just feel it inside you, and trust me, if you do it, it will just come out very, very nicely. So most of the times I would like you to be creative enough to do those things. So here, when I'm done with that, I'm using the gel, and it is Ozat gel. Most of them, if you want them, I'm going to put the links in my description so that you can go and get them all. So after all that, we can do just a simple makeup because her function is also she wants something natural and simple, and this is what we got for her. So please just go in my comment section, tell me what you feel about this hairstyle. Like, comment, share so that I get your feedback and we do something else that is good. I love you so much. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Let me see you in my other next video. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
So good. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. The crochet master.